Hey, thanks so much for opening up our private YouTube link. The reason why I'm reaching out today to you is to offer up an opportunity to connect with yourself as well as your followers to explain the many and several wonderful benefits of CBDs. There are also some things about CBDs that aren't necessarily drawbacks, but there's certain things you want to keep in mind, as well as there are certain things that you definitely need to know about CBDs in order to make sure that you're using CBDs in a safe way. Anyway, all that being said, I'm happy to come on to your program and or guest blog, guest post, or even do a live stream. And under any of those circumstances, I can go ahead and give you in advance the top 20 most popular questions people will usually ask us regarding CBDs. And then I will turn around and answer those questions. And if it's a live stream, of course, your followers can ask whatever questions they may have. And so our goal here today is we believe so strongly in the wonderful benefits of CBDs. And on the grand scale of things, people are starting to understand the wonderful benefits of CBDs, but they just don't understand it well enough to where they can utilize it best for themselves. CBDs don't necessarily work well for everyone. It's one of those things where we always suggest at New Life Hemp to go ahead and try and see if they work well for you. And at this point, CBDs have been linked from the government perspective, helping several with certain forms of epilepsy, where CBD has come in and cured and or majorly helped those people. CBDs are primarily known for helping several people with pain management, as well as anxiety issues, as well as depression issues. There are several and many wonderful benefits that we highly suggest that your followers or yourself, if you're interested in, you try CBDs for yourself. And that's the most important thing to see. And we would love to connect with you. We would love to spread the word. And in addition to that, we're don't just want to spread the word, we also want to get you paid. We will set you up with your own coupon code through New Life Hemp that we will use within that video or the blog post or whatever the case may be. That coupon code will never expire. You can use that as many times as you want, post it as many times as you want, and each time that coupon code is utilized, your customer will get a discount on the New Life Hemp product, and you will receive a commission off of each product that is sold using your coupon code. So depending on the number of followers you have, depending on the connections that you have, it could be an extremely profitable thing, in addition to the fact of getting the wonderful CBD information out there to the public. We'd like to jump right in and talk quickly about some of our super hot seller products. If you suggest these to your followers, you're going to get several thumbs up. The first one is our PM Gummies. As you can see there's 40 gummies within this, and it's a mixture of premium CBD as well as melatonin. And so some people, when utilizing CBDs, get the benefit of feeling, so to speak, sleepy or a bit drowsy. But in this case, with the PM Gummies, we are adding melatonin to this product that's infused within the gummy in addition to the CBD. And so once you take that product, you put it in your mouth and you chew it for a good 30 to 60 seconds. And you want to keep that because you have receptors underneath your tongue that will enable the CBD to get in your system as quickly as possible. And then once that happens, you will start to feel the relaxation from the CBD. At least I feel it almost within seconds, 8 to 15 seconds, and it lasts for me for hours. But then for the PM Gummy, it usually takes anywhere from 30 minutes to 60 minutes after you have taken it to when it kicks in. And when it kicks in, trust me, it knocks you out like a light. So moving on to the next product. Opposite of that is the Energy Gummy. And similar to the PM Gummy, there's 40 gummies. But in this instance, we have our premium CBD in there. In addition to that, we have organic caffeine that has been added and or infused into these gummies. And these gummies work really, really well in terms of caffeine and CBD have a tendency of working very well together. And if you've never tried it, I believe that you should, because it's this exceptional feeling, because you have that relaxation of feeling from the CBD, but at the same time, you have this energy without feeling jittery. And so I absolutely promise you, people try these for their workout. People will go to the office in the afternoon and pop one of these in just to kind of give them a little bit of energy, coast through the afternoon. So the third thing is a tincture or a dropper. And this product right here happens to be 2,500 milligrams. And what you do with a dropper, as I'm sure you know, is you take the cap off and you drop it into your mouth. Similar to gummy or any other ingestible, you want to keep that inside your mouth for a good 30 to 60 seconds, where you kind of swish it around inside your mouth, and it's nice minty flavor to it. So, and same thing, you should feel that CBD relaxation feeling kicking in. At least it does for me within seconds. And once again, it lasts 4 hours. So the nice thing about a tincture is you can take it several places. It's easy to put in your pocket, but just like with any other CBD, you definitely want to keep it out of sunlight. Next is our cooling salve, and this is just your run-of-the-mill CBD cooling salve. It smells really, really well. We have all kinds of additional ingredients within it, as you can see, and it just smells absolutely fantastic. And you take it and just a small amount and you put it on your sore muscles, kind of rub it in. For me, it kicks in pretty quickly and it lasts for a long time. And then the last is our heating and cooling roll-on, and both of our topicals are 1,500 milligrams. But in this particular instance, it's a roll-on as opposed to the salve. And in this case, I just go ahead and roll it on like this. I can feel the heating sensation within seconds afterward, and then that lasts for a little while, and then it kind of like slowly transfers into more of a cooling sensation. Similar to the salve, they both smell incredibly great. We highly suggest that you give these a try on sore, achy muscles and joints. You can reach out to me, mark.nelson@newlifehemp.com. And if you'd like, you can reach out to me directly on my cell phone, which is 303-994-5604. We can even do a Zoom call as well and record the Zoom and take that link and post that to your followers. So we are more than happy to send you out some samples. And I can promise you, once again, our gummies in particular are extremely, extremely popular. Thank you so much for everything. Let's partner up. Let's make some money. Let's educate some people. Let's take some cash out of big farmers' pockets. You know what I'm saying? CBDs takes money out of big farmers' pockets. Have a wonderful day.